VoiceIn is the mobile app that enables every citizen of Nigeria to voice their views. Our project goal is to democratize the policymaking process. VoiceIn is a mobile app that will empower every citizen of Nigeria to be actively involved in policymaking. Our motivation stemmed from observing how people leveraged the X app, formerly Twitter, to draw the government's attention. Our app, VoiceIn, will assist any citizen in proposing a policy or expressing concerns specific to their region. Once a post undergoes review, it will appear on the policy feed where citizens can upvote or downvote. This democratic process ensures that top-ranking policy posts represent a broad consensus, providing lawmakers with well-informed perspective. After interacting with our users, we expressed a desire for real-time updates on all ongoing bills in our National Assembly to be integrated into the app.